everybody, Lorraine here. Today I'm going to use up some paints that I have mixed up. They're little bits that are left over. I might add a little bit to them, but I'm just going to do a ring pour on this 11 by 14 inch canvas. This is a garnet, metallic garnet. I already put it in the cup because it was a little chunky, so I strained it. And let's see, I have, and this is an extreme sheen color, by the way. I have a pink tourmaline that I'm going to use. I have a couple of greens that I'm going to use. This might be a very strange combination. But, hey, let's just get them used up and we'll see what happens. So, I have my garnet in there. I think green will look good next to that. Put a little bit of this pearl in there. And this looks like it needs to be stirred for sure. This is the pink tourmaline. About half of that in there. Put this tiny bit of darker green that I have left. Okay, put a little white in there. This could come out interesting. Pink and green is usually pretty together, so why not? It's that light green. It's kind of a kiwi green or lime, whatever you might want to call it. And these have all thickened up a little bit, so I thought they might be nice for a ring pour. Put some pearl next to that. This pearl has a tiny bit of pink in it. Going with the rest of this pink tourmaline. It's a very pretty color. Let's see, what do we have left here? Some white, which is fine to come out first. Okay, that doesn't seem like very much. The only other leftovers I have are orange and coral, and I don't think either one of those will look well with that. So, add a little more white. And white on the canvas. Let's see what we come up with here. Level that out a little bit. Okay. This could be interesting. Now here comes the garnet. It's going to make a pretty center. Move it back and forth like this. It's making some pretty neat. Okay. Oh, that looks pretty nice. Wasn't so sure about it. I'm gonna put some white on here to help bring it down. Pop some bubbles. Now all these paints are mixed with Floetrol and water, so I don't have any silicone in them. And I'm going to give it a torch. Get some of those big bubbles out. And let's see what happens. I really like that light green in there, and I don't want to lose it. So I'm going to be real careful about not tilting that all off. I'm going to bring it down to this corner. Try and throw it back on so we keep some of the green. Bring it down here since the weight's already... Oh, and I lost all the green there. So it looks like we have a lot of garnet. Bring that back. I'm going to try and stretch that pearl and green down a bit, because I really like that corner. Try and get rid of some of the garnet. Bring it down this way. Oh, it's very shiny. Very shiny, shimmery. All those Extreme Sheen paints are metallics, so they look pretty cool. Got a lot of little white dots. Not sure what's going to happen with those. Really like that spot right there. I'd like to see some of the green pop up through some of the other colors that I put in there that we lost. There's a little bit of pink down here. See if we can pull it down this way a bit. Most of my paint is gone. There's still a little bit moving. Sorry about the glare from the light. Maybe I can turn it this way and tilt it so the light is not shining on it so much. Sorry, I know you can't see this, but I want to get some of it down to that corner. Ah! Almost lost the whole canvas there. Whoa. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Check it out. You never know what you'll come up with just using some leftover paints. Now I think this might get some more of these large cells in it. Rock it back and forth just a little, see if we can open anything up. But I'll let it set for a couple of minutes and then I'll come back and show you a close-up of it. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes or so. There's a few cells that popped up through. Kind of some strange ones, but I don't know if you guys can see the green lines in there. But it's so cool. I don't like that I got a lot of little white specklies, and right there is the only place that the pink came up. Isn't that strange? A little bit on this corner. But there's some pretty cool cells. Turned out pretty cool. I'm really liking it. There's a really neat little green line right in there. So let me know what you think. Appreciate you coming and watching. I will see you next time. Thank you.